Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Dollar Tree haul. Not the biggest haul in the world, but I did pick up a few items the other day and I wanted to share them with you. Of course, if you are new to my channel, my name's Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. And of course, as always, I'll have relevant videos and playlists linked down in the description box below. That way you can binge watch more content if you enjoy Dollar Tree hauls or Dollar Tree makeup videos or dollar store makeup videos, all that kind of thing. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I buy these all the time from the Dollar Tree and it was time to replace the one that I have currently. The one that I'm using now I've had for probably about 3 months and it's had it. So I just purchased another one of these April Bath and Shower bath sponges. And I don't even think the camera does this color justice. It's like really like a bubblegum pink. Yeah, it's kind of coming across in camera. It's such a pretty shade of pink. Like, I love it. But really enjoy these. I think they're really good for $1.25. I don't really see the need to spend more money. They have some that aren't quite as good. So I just kind of look through and feel them and just kind of see which ones feel thick and nice and substantial. So time to restock and buy another one of these. And then this was really cute, you guys, and I couldn't pass it up. It's another bath item and I'm thinking I'll use it. And it's so cute. Look it. It's an orange cat. There's like a sponge in here. It's got like a exfoliating like loofah kind of a thing on the back. But you guys, seriously, I'll put up a picture of my cat Tater. It looks like my cat Tater, and I just think it's so cute. So this is April Bath and Shower Kids. Yeah, I'm basically a child. I thought that was so cute. I think they get some other ones, they might have a dog and some other ones, but I thought this was adorable. I know, I'm 5. And then I thought this was a really cool makeup case. And I did not buy it for myself. I actually bought it for like a future giveaway, but it's from the brand Sassy Chic. And it's this really fairly large makeup case. And this is in like an ivory color. I may have bought one of these before in black for a giveaway. Can't remember, but I thought this shade here was really classy looking. Really like a really sizable makeup bag. It's flat on the bottom, you know, which is nice because it'll stand, you know, because it'll like stand up, you know. And I don't think it has the dimensions on here. They never do. But yeah, a really nice makeup bag. And like I said, I bought this for like a future giveaway to send one of you Dollar Divas with a bunch of goodies when I do that again. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe 3,000 subscribers. We'll see. But I did buy that for a future giveaway. Same thing with this as well, except I bought one for myself as well. These are really cute and they actually had a couple different colors. And they're these little, it's again Sassy Chic, it's the Sassy Chic brand, and it's like a brush holder. Like it's a makeup brush. It's a makeup bag for your brushes. And they have these little sayings on them. I think they might all say the same thing. I can't really remember, but I liked the pink. And so let's go ahead and unzip it. So yeah, you know, you can put like all like your makeup brushes, and let's see what else it'll fit. Oh yeah, it'll fit like a bronzer brush. So pretty much like, I would say the majority of the brushes that I have will fit in here. And you just zip it up really nice. It's mesh, so if your brushes, you know, are a little damp, I can't really think of why they would be. But if they are, guess they can breathe. I don't know. Anyways, I thought that was really cute, and I bought one for me and I bought one for you as well. Like I said, they had, I think, like blue and purple, at least. They might have had another color, but I really like the pink. So the next thing, I actually have it out of the package because I couldn't wait to put it on my phone, but it's just one of those phone rings, you know, and here it is on my phone. It's the same one that I had on here before, except the last one I had cracked, and then the whole thing just like fell off at some point. Guess I've had it since about like last September. Now I have one on an old phone that was like a rectangular one. That one lasted forever. It's still on my old phone case, but I got a different phone and I can't use the same case. But so I don't like this one as much. I don't think it's as durable, but I really do like the rings. The only thing that's really bad is if like I'm showing my husband something and he goes to take the phone, like he has literally accidentally about ripped my finger off. But yeah, so like I said, I like these little phone rings. I was really wanting to find the rectangular one that I had like on my old phone case, but this was the only one they had, but it's super cute. And I know a lot of people don't really care for these. They like more like the pop socket types of things, which they have those as well. But yeah, I'm very partial to this, so repurchased another one of those. They had some really, really cute hair accessories, and so I bought a couple because I'm weak. So a while back, I bought one of these, and I love this little jaw clip. I literally have one from Ulta that I paid a lot of money for, and I don't like it as much as I like this one because this one's smaller. I don't have a lot of hair. This one's smaller, so it fits my hair better. It's also a little lighter, so it doesn't like weigh my hair down. So I love this. And I don't think when I bought that they had a silver, because I probably would have bought it as well. But they had more that were kind of similar. So I purchased this little rectangular silver one. And they had a few different styles. Of course, they had silver and gold. They had a gold one as well. But yeah, I just was like, yeah, I'm gonna pick it up because I really seem to like these. I don't know if I'll like this one as much as I love this one, because this one's a little bit smaller. But yeah, we'll see. Then this I thought was really, really, really cute. I think they had a couple different colors of these as well, but I got silver. This is like a fish clip with this little sparkly stuff on it. So kind of show you how it like applies. So kind of show you, it's like a fish clip, you know? And then you just snap it. So I'm thinking like, especially when I'm like wearing my wigs, I like to sometimes have like a clip kind of like right here. And I thought that would be really pretty, really like thin profile, which is like super nice. Actually, you could actually do like a whole lot of like really cute things with this. That's actually like super cute. I feel like very like blinged out pebbles. That's really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a couple more of those. I think they had like a black one or like a black and silver. I think they had another one too. I'm not sure, I can't really remember. But yeah, that is super cute. I ran out of this a while back and I've been meaning to replace it but haven't thought to. It's just one of these LA Colors contour sticks, and this is in light. I have every shade of these, and I really do, for like $1.25, I love this little contour stick. They always break, but I think it's a really, really nice contour stick, so I was needing the light shade. I've got medium dark, and I've got the highlighter. And think a bronzer. I think they have a bronzer as well. I can't remember, but yeah, I just wanted to pick up another one of the light ones. I mentioned recently in a video that I'm kind of working on a project, which I will let you know what that is, but I'm experimenting with some stuff having to do with it. So I bought some of this to see what some of my options are for this project. I've bought this stuff before from the Dollar Tree. I really like it. I bought like the pearl one, and I made some flower arrangement things that were all Dollar Tree. I'll have some pictures up here. Everything you see is from the Dollar Tree. And so I really like those. And I think I've used like the silver one, so I got blue for a specific reason. It's not the right shade of blue that I need, but I just, for $1.25, I wanted to try something. So picked up one of these. Of course, their crafting area is phenomenal. Dollar Tree just brings it, you know, they just bring it. It's just gotten so amazing. Yeah, you can literally find like anything in their Crafters Corner area. Just, if you know, you know. It's really great. So I'll have some other haul videos as well as my Dollar Tree playlist up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this if you enjoy these types of videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also share this video with anybody that you know that loves the Dollar Tree, loves Dollar Tree hauls, all that kind of thing. Definitely share this with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.